In this video, we're going to be analyzing the price of Multivac. We're going to be doing a technical analysis on Multivac to see where price is heading. As well as that, we'll check out the Twitter page to see if we've had any major news or anything new coming out. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Multivac, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Multivac is currently up 18.36% over the day. You can see on the chart provided that we're pretty much in a very strong bullish trend, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This is everything you need for a bull trend. This is the type of price action we want to see from Multivac, as it means that we can possibly even delete a zero soon come. You can see we're 0.007, so we've still got quite a bit, but hopefully we can. But if we drop into the weekly, we can see that on the weekly we're still overall bearish. We can see that we've been making lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Pretty much everything you need for a bear market. But it looks like we did tap into this demand zone over here, and the price did respect it, and it looks like we tapped back up. Pretty much made equal highs essentially, or even a double top. So hopefully price can break past this and possibly even reach new highs or even back up to this region of a 0.01. So yeah, that's what we like to want. That's the main target for Multivac, the short-term target. But if we check on the monthly, we can see that Multivac is still overall bullish. You can see we did tap into the bearish end of the equilibrium. You can see below this line is pretty much the bearish side, and we did respect it very well, came back up, and hopefully we can target these highs. But long term will possibly be making a new all-time high essentially. But if we check on the quarterly, we can see we're still overall bearish. We're still below these marks. There's still this high that needs to be taken out, this high, and then this pretty much double top essentially. We still got to take through that. But if we check on the yearly, we can see on the yearly we're still overall very bullish. So yeah, that's not too bad, more long-term holders. But let's quickly check on the overall market. See, the overall market is up 9.18%, Bitcoin up 9.66%, Ethereum up 10.73% after yesterday's crash. BNB is up 7.65%. And pretty much the overall global crypto market cap is at 1.71 trillion. So we're still below the 2 trillion mark. So yeah, we're overall looking like majority of the cryptos are gaining back 10% or more. So yeah, that's what we like to see. Let's quickly check over on Multivac's Twitter page. You can see the all-dimensional shard and flexible blockchain. They got a whale. So top 10 purchase tokens, and you can see Multivac is there. So you can see the quantity 200,000, which is really good. Multivac looks like Multivac is starting to get its recognition that it needs. And you can see that they did post that we just published Wrapped MTV is now live. For all information regarding MTV, please visit our link tree. So yeah, you can check out the link tree. So MTV 2022, think outside the box. So yeah, the MTV community ecosystem grows. Also remembers we still have 11% APY for staking. Add a 1% bonus for every 2 billion staked, better than any bank in the world. So yeah, it's good staking for Multivac. Let's quickly check over on ethereum.io, the artificial intelligence. You can see Multivac is given a B2 rating, which is which is pretty much good, but it's pretty much average. Well, on the ethereum ratings, which is an average. It's not too bad, not too good, so it's pretty much in between. You can see their firm profitability is at ethereum rating A1, so it's very profitable, exceptional. So yeah, you can see the Multivac peak and value demand, which is an ethereum rating B2, which I'm guessing is average. You can see the Multivac moving average is a rating D, and then you can see the Sharpe ratio, which is an ethereum rating D, and then the fear and greed index, which is an A2. So yeah. But now it's time to get into Multivac analysis on TradingView. So as you can see on Multivac, we have pretty much tapped back into this strong demand zone that's been touched once. Pretty much had an accumulation phase play out as well, and we tapped it back into a game, and it looks like we did have a reversal from it. Hopefully we can target this high. This high. Once we breach past this, and then we can say that there is a change in character, and possibly even target these highs. Essentially, pretty much what we're looking for is a change in pretty much change of momentum towards from bearish to bullish. So once we have a break of structure, hopefully we can tap back into this region, and then possibly even back up. So this is what we'd like to see. Hopefully we tap back up, and we can have a little play back down, and then hopefully we can have a pretty much breakout through there. That's pretty much my main aim for this. But we're just gonna have to wait and see how the overall market is, as Bitcoin is the leader. Let's quickly check over at Bitcoin, how Bitcoin is doing. So yeah, you can see Bitcoin did reach 34.387. So yeah, that's very low. Bitcoin did tap in very low. Looks like we pretty much liquidated these sellers and these sellers, and pretty much mitigated this. And then I think we will have a reaction towards the downside, unless Bitcoin does break through, possibly even reaching pretty much breaking this. I think it is a break of structure. Yeah, so break of structure. So hopefully we can have a pullback, and then from the pullback. So yeah, so I think we'll have a pullback. Probably if we drop into, let's quickly check the daily. You can see we're pretty much tapped into this region. I think it's a strong demand zone, and then my main target will still be pretty much mitigated this candle, and then I think we will continue to fall, but it just depends on how the overall market is. So yeah, let's go back to Multivac. So Multivac, that's the main aim. Looks like we did tap back into this region, so we're gonna have to wait and see what occurs for Multivac. And so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 500 subs.